We often hear about how the COVID-19 pandemic has put a strain on frontline workers. Well, this evening, one organization in St. Anne has pledged to offer some relief to parents who are essential workers by offering them access to free daycare services for Child Month. Kian Morgan has more in A Ray of Hope.
Andre and his wife, Terrian Mesquita, are operators of the Future Scholars Nursery and Preschool on Main Street in Ocherius, St. Anne. And in a time like this, when hundreds of schools, including daycares, are closed due to the pandemic, the business couple are grateful they're able to keep their doors open. It is why they have decided to extend their appreciation through offering free childcare services to essential workers for the month of May. Mr. Mesquita says the aim is to provide those on the front line some relief.
The doctors, the nurse, the firemen, the police, when we are at our home, in our warm homes, they are the ones who are out there serving our family, serving Jamaica, and to try and keep us safe.
The nursery and preschool provides up to 28 children with complimentary meals while catering to a variety of needs daily.
Students who are on online schooling and need assistance, if you are coming from Kingston, Westmoreland for maybe a little treat and you want a rest stop for your child, or you don't think that the child will be safe where you are going, you can just leave them with us and we will take great care of them.
Mrs. Mesquita says that she's heartened by the feedback from those who benefit.
We have a doctor. She has to go out there and deal with COVID on a daily basis, and to know that when she leaves her child is safe. You know, it gives me joy.
Even then, being able to do this, I am appreciative.
Mr. Mesquita says even though it's just for a month, he's happy they're able to contribute in some way. He believes if they get external support, they'll be able to extend it beyond May.
I don't have $1 million to give back to them, but the little that I have, we have decided to share with Jamaica.
With A Ray of Hope, I'm Kian Morgan.
A Ray of